In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs tabs. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type in a search for Google Docs. It's as simple as entering the words Google Docs into the search bar. This ensures you're on the right path to accessing this powerful tool. Once you've performed the search, you should see a list of results. Look for the official Google Docs link, which usually appears near the top. Click on this link to proceed to the Google Docs homepage. This step is crucial because it takes you directly to the legitimate site. With the correct link open, you'll need to log into your Google account. If you're already logged in, you might be redirected automatically. Otherwise, enter your credentials to gain access. Logging in is important as it connects you to your personal documents and settings. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your recent documents. Select the document you want to open by clicking on it. This will open the document in the Google Docs editor, ready for you to work on. Now, to add a new tab, click the plus icon located next to the Document tab's header. A brand new blank document area will open within this specific tab. This feature is useful for organizing different sections of your project without clutter. Next, to rename a tab, you have two options. You can double-click directly on the tab name, or you can click the three-dot menu next to it and select Rename. Renaming helps keep your tabs organized and easily identifiable. If you'd like to add a bit of personality to your tabs, click the three-dot menu and select Choose Emoji. This allows you to add a visual icon right next to your tab title. It's a fun way to make your tabs stand out and can help you find them more quickly. When you need to duplicate or delete a tab, click the three-dot menu again. Choose Duplicate to make a copy of the tab, great for templates you use often. Alternatively, select Delete to remove any unneeded sections. Duplicating saves time by letting you reuse layouts or content. To reorder your tabs, simply click and drag a tab up or down the list. This allows you to change its position to suit your workflow better. Reordering is helpful for keeping your most important or frequently used tabs within easy reach. For creating subtabs, drag a tab slightly to the right under another tab. You can also click the three dots and select Add Subtab. This nests the content, creating a multi-layered hierarchy. Subtabs are excellent for breaking down complex topics into manageable parts. Finally, if you want to link directly to a section, click the three-dot menu next to a specific tab and select Copy Link. This feature allows colleagues to open the link and land directly on the targeted tab, bypassing the first page. It's a great way to direct attention exactly where it's needed. With these steps, you can now effectively manage your Google Docs tabs for better organization and productivity. Thank you for watching, and happy documenting!